Start by adding Mocha AE to your clip. Click on Mocha to bring up their UI panel. Use their pen tool to make a mask for the object you want to track. Once you're done drawing your mask, right-click to release it. Now click on their surface tool. This is how your mask takes shape, so try to take your time on this part. I didn't, but don't be like me. Click on Track forward to make Mocha AE track your mask. If it gets off track, just press spacebar to stop tracking and readjust your mask, then set a keyframe using the key icon at the bottom of Mocha's UI panel. Once done, just click on the Save button or arrow at the top left of the panel, and then close out of Mocha AE. Make a new comp inside of After Effects now. This comp needs to have in it what you want to use to place on your main comp with the Mocha mask we just made. Now just follow along what I do to make this advanced tracking work for you.